Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up and use Flexiti Pay Later card, right? And how you can do this. So it's really easy thing to do. So we have to go through the application process, which I mentioned this step by step here. The first one is you can go through the online application and you can also go in store application. So for the online application, and you can just watch here, you have to go to the website here, which is Flexit website, and click on apply now, right? So here I can just go and click on apply now here. To fill out a quick online application, you will need to provide some personal information here, right, which you can see here on the top right, this option to apply now. So let's go and click it there, right? And once you do, we have to just fill out just some information and our personal information and financial details. And if you want to go through the store application, go to a particular retailer and speak with a sales representative who can assist you in applying for this card. Right, now let's talk about this making purchase. So online purchase at checkout, select Flexiti as your payment method, and you as your new user complete this application. If you have already have an account, enter your existing account number. Choose your preferred financing plan. Option include equal monthly payment or deferred payment, and finalize your purchase. Inform the sales associate that you wish to use Flexiti as a payment option. They will guide you through the process of applying or using your existing card. Regarding managing, so online account management, register at flexiti.com to manage your account online. Here you can view statement, check balance, and monitor transaction, right? And regarding the payment option can be made via online banking by adding Flexiti as a bill payee using your 16-digit account number. Alternatively, you can mail a check to Flexiti Financial Account Services, ensuring you include your account number into the memo field. So this is it guys, and if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.